Find the oxidation numbers for each metal in these compounds. For the first one, MnO₄ minus, we will have Mn plus 4 because we have 4 atoms of oxygen in there, times -2 because the oxidation state for oxygen is -2, or equal to -1 because there's a charge of -1 on top. So Mn 4 times -2, this is like algebra, okay? It's going to give you -8 equal to -1. So then you have Mn -8 plus 8 equal to -1 plus 8. -8 cancels out plus 8. So you have Mn -1 plus 8 will give you plus 7. So the oxidation state for manganese in this compound will be plus 7. How about vanadium chloride? Chlorine is a halogen, so hence it will have an oxidation number of -1. It's going to be V plus 3 times -1 or equal to 0 because this is a neutral compound. So you have V minus 3 because 3 times -1 is -3 equal to 0. V minus 3 plus 3 equals 0 plus 3. V will give you plus 3. Hence, the oxidation state for vanadium is plus 3. We go to tin chloride. Okay, the same approach is going to be tin plus 4 times -1 equal to 0. 10 minus 4 equal to 0. Add 4 on both sides to get rid of the -4. So it's going to be 10 minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0 plus 4. -4 cancels out plus 4. So you have Sn equal to plus 4. So the oxidation state for tin in this compound is going to be plus 4. Okay? How about chromium oxide? It's going to be Cr plus 3 times -2 or equal to 0. You have Cr minus 6 equal to 0. Oxidation state for chromium is going to be, you can also pause the video and give it a shot, okay? So the oxidation state for chromium is going to be plus 6. Uranium oxide, UO3. In next example, is going to be U plus 3 times -2 equal to 0. The oxidation state for U in this compound is going to be plus 6. Again, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, okay? Okay? Awesome.
Think, learn,